Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Sarah. If you're new here, if you're a returning viewer, then thank you. Shout out to you. But if you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and do so now. Somewhere here it'll be. Today we're actually just gonna be doing this eye look. I posted it on my Instagram and you guys wanted to see it, so here it is. Such a pretty look, pretty go-to for me. So I hope you guys enjoy this look, and if you want to see how I did it, then keep on watching. Okay guys, so we're gonna do the eyes. I'm just gonna tuck my hair back real quick and then bring you guys in closer for this eye look. This is gonna be really simple, easy eye. Don't mind these eyebrows. Can you see them? Can you see? They're really bad. It's honestly, when my eyebrows get this grown out, it's sort of hard for me to fill them in because they're just like lost in the sauce. Let's start out with a really fluffy brush like this. This is a Morphe M511 and I'm gonna use some bronzer. This is the NYX matte bronzer and I'm just gonna kind of, you know, go out here. I've already done my face makeup and I'm just gonna accentuate this part right here. It really makes all the difference. I'm also gonna only use 2 palettes. I wish it was just 1, I'm sorry, but it's 2. So I'm gonna go in with Dose of Colors Francation, and what I love about this palette is it has 3 different browns, which I feel like is perfect for this look because we're really getting like a blend of all the colors. I'm gonna take another fluffy brush, and this is from Morphe also. This is a Morphe M433. And I'm gonna go in with the lightest brown color, which is Necessary, and just go in the crease. This is a really staple, natural, go-to eye look. Yeah, just really simple. So just going in the crease with that color, nothing crazy, okay? And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a smaller brush and I'm just gonna go into the next color, which is Churro. And I'm just gonna put this on the outer corner just to kind of start working it in. And I'm just gonna dab it. So these are like the fundamentals of makeup. You know, crease, outer crease, lid color. So keeping it really simple for those of you that just like a simple look. So really just keeping the darker color in this outer corner, just to define it. Next I'm gonna go in with the orange color from Juvia's Saharan palette. And I really just wanna go in with the orange called Jamila, just like the slightest touch of color, because I just wanna warm it up even more. I wanted to give it like a little bit oomph in a way, and it's like perfect for fall. So I'm just gonna put on a fluffy brush and literally just drag it in the crease. That might be too much, so just to give it that warmth. And I feel like it's too much, so I'm gonna go back in with this brush and just kind of bring the brown back in, really blend out those edges because the orange really showed. Okay, so now I'm gonna take a flat brush and I'm gonna take Zoya in the same palette. It's a really pretty like rose gold color, and I'm just gonna take it kind of in the inner corner. Look how gorgeous. And I like this brush, it's really flat, and it puts on shimmers really nicely. This is from ColourPop, but it doesn't have a name. I'll check to see if they still have it and link it below if so. So this is really just like the perfect color for this because it's warm, it's rose gold. And I'm gonna put it about halfway in the lid. And there's just something about this brush that fits like right there in my eye, which is why I like it. And you can get kind of sharp if you need to, because it does have like a point on it, which is nice. Now that that's on, I'm gonna go back in and put the middle brown color, Churro. Just kind of go over it to blend these two together. See how I'm just tapping it on, not really blending it, and just putting the brush flat and tapping it. So now I'm gonna curl my eyelashes, and I like to curl my eyelashes before I do a wing because I feel like it helps me find the shape, the direction of the shape. So I'm just gonna curl my lashes. I'm gonna take this angled brush, just any angled brush should work, something that's firm. So I'm gonna take the darkest color in the Friendcation palette, which is called Cheens. Yes. And what I do is I pick up the color on the brush, and then I'm gonna spray it with some MAC Fix Plus. So I'm basically turning the eyeshadow into an eyeliner. And then after you get it wet, I even dip it into the color one more time. Make sure to knock off any excess because you don't want it to fall on your face. And then I just start on the outer corner. And you want to make sure it's pretty dark on there so it shows and you can see that it's a dark brown. And I'm just going to thinly put it all the way. I only sprayed the brush once. I feel like it's picking up the shadow pretty well, so I don't really need to spray it again. But if you feel like it's not going on as precise, definitely give it another spritz with the Fix Plus. Obviously, you can do this with a liquid brown liner, but I don't have one, so that's why I make it out of the eyeshadow, and I just really like the way it looks. So I'm gonna add mascara really quick. And you want to make sure you coat your lashes nicely. I'm gonna put false eyelashes, but I want to make sure my lashes are coated really well. This eye was so simple, and I love it because it's simple. We're living in a day and age where makeup is like crazy and super expressive, which I love, and creative, but you know, some of us just want simple, feel good, look good makeup, and I hope I provided that to you with this look. So the next thing to take it over the top is to get your favorite eyelashes, and the trick is you have to kind of uncurl the eyelashes, the false lashes. So put them in the curler the opposite way, uncurl them, and then we're gonna pop them on, and then you curl them with your eyelashes, and it just gives the effect of kind of like they're your eyelashes. So now I'm gonna curl the lashes with my lashes. So try to get it in there. Try to get everything together. See, they look so good. They look so real. This look honestly doesn't even need false eyelashes, but I feel like it just looks really good, you know, if you just want that extra oomph. So last thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna keep it really simple and just put some mascara on my bottom eyelashes before I forget, because I do that. And that's it. Okay guys, so that's it for the look. I hope you guys enjoyed this eye look, and I will leave all the details for the whole entire face and eyes and lips below, so definitely check out the products. I think I'm gonna go head to Ulta now because I need some new skincare. I am like addicted to Instagram filters because my skin is just going through some things, so I think I'm gonna go check out some things at Ulta that I'm excited to share with you guys. So definitely follow me on Instagram to see more about that, and thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. So yeah, let's get into it.